Hello guys, so this is all of the stuff that I purchased, some of it at least. So I have taken the tree out of the box and I'm going to begin putting the tree together. So the first thing I do is put the tree first part together. The tree is sectioned by 1, 2, and 3. So I put the first part together and then I spread out the branches. Once I did that, I fluffed it out a little and then I began doing the rest of the tree. This took quite a while, and as you can see later on in the video, this did not just take one day for me to complete the Christmas tree. So the next day I added lights and I began putting the ribbon onto the tree. I played with this ribbon quite a while. I couldn't decide the way I wanted it, how I wanted, what color I wanted. So as you watch the video, you're going to see that it was played with quite a lot. Your pack, your cream, all the stockings you will find hanging in a row. Mine will be the shortest one. You'll be sure to know. So later on, I end up not even liking that red ribbon on there, so I'm going to take it off later. So I'm on this chair. Don't do this. I almost fell, as you can see. So I'm putting the sticks on there now to add a little height to the Christmas tree. I end up getting more because those little ones didn't do. Hanging in a row. Okay, now I'm adding some fillers. It's just some smaller sticks that I got from Walmart. They were like $1 each. Johnny wants a pair of storybook. One she had. Okay, next I'm rearranging the fillers, but these big lollipops, I got them from Hobby Lobby. When I saw them, I fell in love with them, so I add those. Next are the big girl ornaments. These came from Walmart. I'm going to say Christmas Eve is coming soon. Now are you, dear old man? Whisper what you bring to me. Tell me if you can. When the clock is striking 12. So now I'm going to add my peppermint candy ornaments. They are a little bit smaller, but they're cute. I also got these from Hobby Lobby. All the stockings you will find hanging in a row. Mine will be the shortest one. You'll be sure to know. So now I'm adding the tree skirt, and I just got this one from Walmart. Johnny wants a pair of skates. Susie wants a sled. I know, you probably were saying that this tree still looks so plain. I was saying the same thing. Something was still missing. So I added this candy striped ribbon to some places on the tree. And I also would add way more ornaments at the end. Jolly old Saint Nicholas, lean your ear this way. Don't you tell a single soul what I'm going to say. Christmas Eve is coming soon. Now are you, dear old man? Whisper what you bring to me. Tell me if you can. When the clock is striking 12, when I'm fast asleep, down the chimney broad and black, with your pack you'll creep. All the stockings you will find hanging in a row. Mine will be the shortest one. You'll be sure to know. I also added more fillers. So here I'm adding some sparkly flowers and some plain red flowers to make the tree look more full. Johnny wants a pair of skates. Susie wants a sled. Nellie wants a storybook, one she hasn't read. So this is finished product. I moved some things around. I added a few more ornaments, and this is what it looked like. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Jolly old Saint Nicholas, lean your ear this way. Don't you tell a single soul what I'm going to say. Christmas Eve is coming soon. Now are you, dear man.